Alright, well, we got our skid plate all cleaned up, and as you can see, like in the previous video, you can see where the skid plate was contacting the frame, which hopefully by doing this, get rid of that god-awful noise. So all we're doing was taking some foam strips, and just kind of cut these to size. This is a adhesive type. I already wiped this down really well, so I'll go ahead and apply one there. Here. We're going to run a long one all the way across. Just got to measure that out a little bit. That's close enough. Oops. Like I said, I wiped the skid plate off with basically acetone. Another one across the back here. Roughly the same size. That should do it. Do two on the corner. On the corner again, and we'll turn this guy kind of in. So hopefully that will, if not fully get rid of our noise, at least mitigate it a little bit. That way it doesn't sound like my truck is falling apart every time I turn. So yeah, do the install here in just a little bit.